Now, if you're like me, chances are you've tried other diet programs before and had, limited results or no results, but nothing sustainable. And one in particular I want to talk about right now is keto. A lot of people have successfully used keto, but they find that they reach plateaus and they just can't get past it. And there's a reason for that. In my opinion, this is probably the number one issue, is a lot of people get good at eating ketogenic foods and feel satisfied, but they're they're so convinced that eating high protein foods is a safe thing to do because it's not going to knock you off your program, that they end up over consuming on the protein because they have this mistaken belief that, oh, I can eat as much protein as I want. It's not going to hurt me because that's not carbs. Well, the downside to that is your body is pretty smart. And if you have too much protein in your system, it knows how to convert that protein into glycogen anyway. And if you're trying to burn off your fat stores, and I'm sorry, glycogen is your biggest enemy. As long as you've got lots of glycogen in tank number one, you're not going to get to tank number two. So that's one reason why keto has failed for a lot of other people, is they've just continued to eat lots and lots of protein, having this false sense of security that that's fine. The body converts it to glycogen and they never burn their fat. They probably don't gain weight when they're on keto, but they're just not going to have the fat burn that they were looking for. And if that's you, stick with me. I do have more videos that kind of teach you how to eat, when to eat, what to eat, so that you can keep your tank as empty as possible, as often as possible, so you burn your fat for energy, which is what you want if you're trying to get slimmer.